How to cut your grass with a hedge trimmer. You need to clear areas of tall grass to provide better access for a mower, to reduce a fire hazard or to deter pests like gophers and mosquitoes that inhabit the weeds. Common tools for clearing bush include machetes, scythes and sickles. Power hedge trimmers, which will also cut through the grass quickly and efficiently, provide another option. Hedge trimmers also have long skinny blades but let you cut significant swathes of grass without having to make rapid, swinging motions. Things you'll need: safety glasses, earplugs, knee guards. Walk through the grassy area and remove any obstacles, such as rocks and logs. Put on the proper safety attire, including a long-sleeve shirt, pants and safety glasses. Remove any loose jewelry and tie long hair back. Put in earplugs to protect your hearing. Put on knee guards to protect your knees. Firmly plant yourself on your knees in front of the patch of grass with the blade in front of you and the cord behind you. Avoid bending to cut grass as it is hard on your back and makes you less stable when operating the tool. Start the hedge trimmer, gripping the handles firmly. To one side of you, insert the blade into the grass. Keep the blade horizontal and parallel to the ground and bring it around and through the grass in a steady motion. Keep the blade several inches from the ground to avoid hitting the soil. Continue cutting until you chop the small portion of grass within your reach. Turn off the hedge trimmer, set it to your side and remove the felled grass from the area. Reposition yourself in front of the next area to cut. Continue working in small sections until you remove all the grass you want. Add the removed grass to the compost bin or use it as mulch in the garden. Tips: warnings. Consult the warning section of the owner's manual regarding tool and cutting safety before cutting grass. Keep in mind that hedge trimmers are specifically designed for cutting shrub and bush foliage and only experienced users should use hedge trimmers for cutting other plant matter.